Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel where we discuss everything that is happening in electric vehicle ecosystem in India. And today's big important news, guys. I have been telling you for weeks now that Ola is looking to establish a factory for two-wheelers in South India. And now it is official, Ola is going to launch world's, not even India's, world's biggest electric two-wheeler factory in Tamil Nadu. So Ola has signed a memorandum of understanding with Tamil Nadu government where it will be establishing a factory in Tamil Nadu for electric two-wheelers, and this will create around 2,200 jobs. This is gonna be an investment of 2,350 crore, and this news is all over the place. You can go and check it out and read anywhere. Currently, the biggest facility for two-wheelers is Honda's Vithalpur facility in Gujarat, and that will be crossed by Ola now. Moving on to the further details of the new CEO, Bhavish Agarwal has stated that they are eyeing, they are looking to make the most advanced factory in the world, and Ola's electric ambitions are very clear now, as much as Uber's electric ambitions are. Uber is itself looking to electrify its fleet in UK and US and worldwide by 2040. And Ola is also tying up with local startups. Uber is tying up with local startups like Lithium and which are based on electric cars and electric vehicles. And Ola, on the other hand, is also creating its own fleet of two wheelers. That is something really amazing, because now starting from 2021 we will have so many good quality, good brand electric two wheelers in Indian market. We have already have two wheelers from Honda, Bajaj, and then there are new players like Ather, Revolt, and now you and TVS is also there, TVS iQube, and now you have Ola launching its electric two wheeler. So that's an amazing news, guys. I mean, it was very clear that it was gonna do, but nothing was coming concretely outside. But now it is there. An investment of 2,354 crore. When will the model be launched? Probably in the first half of 2021. My gut feeling is somewhere between January and February 2021. At least they will start taking pre-orders, and I think I'll be the one of the first people who will place pre-order for a Ola electric scooter. And apart from that, it is the factories claim not only to produce for India, but it will also be producing for players in Europe, Asia, and Latin America. So it will be hiring a lot of people, and it is already a news was there where it was hired General Motor veteran Joe Spinero. I have shared that news also. So definitely, if they're hiring a global manufacturing operations head of General Motor who worked there for 30 to 40 years, there is a reason behind that. So guys, this is the big news. So let's just wait for electric scooter from Ola now. Moving on to the next news, guys, it is launch of two wheelers from EV. The name of the company is EV, and the models are Altrio and Ahava. Okay, so uh, they have a lot of electric offerings, and the electric scooters are priced from 55,900 to 64,900. Ahava model is 56,000, and the Altrio model 64,900. This is ex showroom price. Ahava, I'll just tell you about the specification. Is 250 watt motor, so 0.25 kilowatt motor. A range is 60 to 70 kilometers, so range is not very high. It's not like Ather high or Revolt high, but it is somewhere like I think matching with a Hero Optima, Hero Dash kind of range. And the higher end model, that is Atrio, that is 90 to 100-kilometer range. That's a good range. And so it is claiming that it is a dealership across 19 states. That's a pretty impressive number, and in 2021 they are targeting 200 dealerships. So in electric vehicles, in any vehicle segment, dealership network is very important, because that's how you sell vehicles in today's world. Even if online channel is there, you still still sell two-wheelers and four-wheelers and three-wheelers via dealership. um, Charging up, it provides a standard charger. The top speed is 25 km per hour, is pretty low. I am not sure if this is an error in typing. The top speed is 25 km per hour. If that is so, then definitely you won't need a registration or a kind of a pollution or any kind of registration or RC for this, because that's what Motor Vehicles Act says. If your vehicle is top speed is 25, you really don't need an RC. Similarly, in my Hero Electric video I covered, there was models of Hero Optima Electric Dash which were less than 25, and then there was model which were higher than 25. So for the less than 25 km per hour top speed models, you did not need uh, you know uh, RC. Battery capacity is 27 ampere hour, and it will compete with, as I said, Okinawa Light and Hero Electric, guys. So guys, check out this model in case you are interested, and also do let me in comment section if somebody has any feedback or any review of this kind of electric vehicle. Moving on to another big news, guys. It is from Daimler. Daimler owns Mercedes-Benz company, and Daimler will be launching an electric truck in India. If it launches before Mahindra or Tata does, it will become the first electric truck electric truck brand in India. I hope I'm right. I think this will be the first electric truck, because right now we have electric three-wheelers like Mahindra Trio Zor, Kinetic Green Suffer, but we don't really have four-wheelers. We also have buses now, but we don't have any truck per se. Now this truck, which Daimler India will be launching, this is gonna be a Fuso E Canter model, and the payload is 3200 kg, so that is gonna be 3 ton load. This is somewhere between a Tata Ace and a proper 5 ton for 2XL truck. So normally a truck, when you say truck, you normally think of a 5 ton truck or a 9 ton truck, and then there is Tata Ace, there is Hathi, Chota Hathi, which is like a 1 ton, 2 ton four-wheeler. So this is 3 tons, so I think lies somewhere between these two ranges. And so definitely, since this belongs to Daimler, we can expect a lot of high technology in this particular vehicle. And the heavyweights like Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland and Mahindra, if they don't launch before Daimler, it will become the first electric truck in India and probably get the first movers advantage. The question is when. Electrification in commercial vehicle is like a no-brainer, man. It is going to be there. The operating cost of electric vehicle is way lower than petrol or diesel. There is like, it is inevitable that commercial fleet will shift to electric vehicles. So guys, this was it about today, and I hope you liked my video. Do subscribe to the channel in case you want to stay updated about everything that is happening on electric vehicle ecosystem. We have launched our website kazam.in, and you can go and visit that. There you will find a lot of listings about electric vehicles on that website. So guys, that's it. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.